The Meridian Acupressure Set can provide significant benefits for survival by promoting physical and mental well-being, especially in high-stress situations. The set typically includes tools like mats, pillows, or massage rollers designed with pressure points to stimulate the body's energy pathways, known as meridians in traditional Chinese medicine, TCM. By activating these points through acupressure, the set can help relieve pain, reduce stress, and enhance overall health. Here's how the Meridian Acupressure Set can support survival. 1. Pain relief and physical recovery. Relieves muscle tension. Whether you're in a survival situation or just experiencing high levels of stress, muscle tension can affect your mobility and performance. The acupressure set helps relieve tension in key areas like the back, neck, and legs by targeting pressure points that relax muscles. Alleviates chronic pain. Acupressure can be especially helpful for alleviating chronic pain, such as back pain or joint stiffness, which can hinder your ability to move or perform necessary survival tasks. By using the set regularly, you can manage pain without relying on medication, which may not be available in survival scenarios. Speeds up physical recovery. In survival situations, physical exertion, injury, and fatigue are common. The Meridian Acupressure Set can support recovery by improving blood flow, reducing inflammation, and helping your body to heal faster from physical strain or minor injuries. 2. Reduces stress and anxiety. Promotes relaxation. High-stress environments trigger the body's fight or flight response, which can lead to increased cortisol levels, anxiety, and impaired decision-making. The acupressure mat stimulates calming points on the body, helping to lower stress levels and induce relaxation. Improves mental clarity. When you're overwhelmed by stress, it can be difficult to focus or make clear decisions, both of which are crucial in survival scenarios. Regular use of the acupressure set can help clear the mind, reduce mental fatigue, and enhance concentration. 3. Boosts energy and vitality. Stimulates energy flow. According to TCM, energy, or qi, flows through meridians in the body. Blockages in these pathways can lead to fatigue, illness, and imbalance. The Meridian Acupressure Set stimulates specific pressure points along these meridians to restore energy flow, improving vitality and stamina. Improves circulation. Proper blood flow is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to cells. The acupressure mat helps enhance circulation, which can increase your energy levels and help maintain your physical endurance during demanding tasks. 4. Improves sleep quality. Relieves insomnia. Sleep is crucial for survival and recovery, but in high-stress situations, it's easy to experience insomnia or poor sleep. The Meridian Acupressure Set helps by activating pressure points associated with calming the nervous system, leading to better sleep quality. Supports deep relaxation. By lying on the acupressure mat before bed, you can encourage your body to enter a state of deep relaxation, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep, even in less than ideal environments. 5. Enhances immune system. Stimulates the body's natural defenses. Acupressure has been known to boost the immune system by increasing the body's ability to fight off infections and illnesses. By using the Meridian Acupressure Set, you can help maintain immune health, which is especially important in survival situations where medical help might be unavailable. Reduces inflammation. Chronic stress and poor circulation can lead to inflammation, which can weaken the immune system. The acupressure set helps improve circulation and reduce inflammation, allowing your body to better fend off diseases or infections. 6. Improves digestive health. Supports digestive function. Stress and irregular eating habits in survival situations can cause digestive issues such as indigestion, constipation, or bloating. Acupressure helps by activating pressure points linked to the digestive system, supporting healthy gut function and easing discomfort. Relieves nausea. In situations where you may not have access to clean water or food, nausea can become a serious problem. Certain pressure points, such as those targeted by the acupressure set, can help relieve nausea and support smoother digestion. 7. Portable and easy to use. Compact and lightweight. The acupressure set is usually lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry with you in a survival kit. You can use it anywhere, whether in a shelter, outdoors, or during a break from physical activities. No need for external power or tools. Unlike other wellness devices, The acupressure mat doesn't require batteries, electricity, or other tools, making it an ideal solution for managing health and well-being in environments where resources are limited. 8. Supports emotional balance. Releases endorphins. By stimulating pressure points, acupressure promotes the release of endorphins, natural feel-good chemicals that help alleviate feelings of anxiety, depression, and emotional imbalance. Maintaining a positive emotional state is crucial for survival and mental endurance. Balances the nervous system. Regular use of the Meridian Acupressure Set can help balance the autonomic nervous system, which controls the body's response to stress. This can result in more stable emotions, better coping mechanisms, and an overall sense of calm. 9. Helps maintain flexibility and mobility. Improves joint flexibility. In survival situations, maintaining flexibility and mobility is essential for tasks such as walking long distances, climbing, or performing manual labor. The acupressure set can help keep your joints flexible by reducing stiffness and improving range of motion. Prevents muscle stiffness. Whether you're resting in uncomfortable conditions or performing strenuous physical tasks, the risk of muscle stiffness and soreness is high. Using the acupressure mat can help prevent stiffness and promote better movement, making it easier to navigate difficult environments. Conclusion. The Meridian Acupressure Set can be an invaluable tool in survival situations, offering both physical and mental support. By promoting relaxation, relieving pain, boosting energy, and supporting overall well-being, it can help you stay focused, healthy, and resilient. Whether you're facing stressful conditions or simply want to enhance your physical recovery after a long day of survival tasks, the acupressure set is a portable, easy-to-use solution to maintain your vitality and performance. Link below checks description. The products link is in the description box. If you want to purchase the products. Thanks for watching.